Kesankara Deva Nethralaya Guwahati haringkat kecingnya terelang bat ke Meghalaya Blindness Control Society min haga khatsantrik unaitung kala pelong ya ka comprehensive diabetic retinopathy screening hasilong. Habakren hakini kecinglang medical director bat trustee Sri Sankara Deva Nethralaya Guwahati Dr. Harsha Bhattacharjee ulak kedau bakani kecing pangsini lak panele persya ladaki beriu kilak ban husiar naduk badang sedang. Kat kum kecing itu cung bahaduk khandai 4% ki beriu ki bapang sini bat ki badang klan kim shimlawan ban syak sumar bat tat haduk bakila sedang ban syutom jor kisah sedang ban ki khore. Kat bana kaliang member secretary ke MBSC Dr. MS Nonghulu ulih thu bakidan haduk lifeway point nyong million ngot ki beriu ki bayo ya kecing pang diabetic bat na pedang kini 1.3 million ki bayo ya kecing pang diabetic retinopathy.
The diabetic blindness is preventable and treatable if the disease is diagnosed at the right time. So this is the most important point to know, that diabetic blindness is preventable. Still our people are becoming blind. That means there is a gap in the awareness. People do not know it. So there is number one point to call to this our today.